Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 9th and the chart of the day for today is SPX 60 minutes time frame here. And we are currently looking for more upside in the S&P. We can see we ended with 1 here in the minor degree, pull back in the wave 2, ended here, and we have extended higher within wave 3. Within wave 3 we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now should be looking to finish with 5 in blue, which should also end with 1 in black. So within 5 in blue we might still extend higher in another 5 waves, right, before we finally finish with 5 in blue and with 1 in black, right? So that's the idea here with regards to the S&P, and therefore we continue to like the upside against 54.45 in the first degree. Now we can look at it from a couple of different ways in terms of the structure. One possible way is what we are showing here. Another possible way is if this is really going to play out, then actually it will be better to wait for the bigger pullback, right? Because this wave 5 could technically be finished anytime, technically, because you already have a 5 way, so it can finish anytime, and therefore we can get a bigger pullback sooner, right? So if it is already starting to turn the wave to pullback, it will be correcting this rally here. So it's going to be a 3-race pullback, but it's just a larger degree 3-race pullback like so before it turns higher again, right? So in other words, from the risk reward perspective, then I think probably chasing in the shorter cycle at the moment is not really particularly good from the risk reward perspective, since we are very close to finishing 5 of 1 and technically could even finish right now if it starts to do bigger pullback. So it will probably be better to wait for the bigger pullback before looking for opportunities to buy the dips. But overall though, it still remains bullish for now, and the most aggressive pivot to be bullish against is this one, 54.45, and then the more actually important low is this one, right? This is the more important level in terms of the bullish view, and it will be bullish against this 5200 or so for the upside again. If we start seeing a bigger pullback right here, and that simply means this cycle is over, and then we're going to be looking for a 3-race pullback to correct that cycle, but still remains bullish overall against this 5200, right? So for now, this again is kind of the view for now. All right, and we can still see for the upside like what the chart is showing before finishing 5 of 1, and then from there we can get a pullback into 2 before higher again. So the idea though is that we don't like selling, obviously, and what we like is really just to continue to buy the dips if there's any pullback in 3 swing. All right, so we're gonna continue to update this as the market moves, and if you want to get more regular updates on the S&P or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.